Welcome to the first episode of Passing Notes. I'm your host, Emma Rogers, and on today's note, thanks, hon. Reese and Amber try to get Reese stuck on a pole. Hope folds us a fish, and Destiny cracks the codes of the birds. Spicy episode. Let's get going.
Reese, did you know that if you wrap your legs around a pole and sit on your ankles, you can't get up?
Really? Let's try it.
All right, let's go. So Reese, how was that?
It hurt my ankles. I broke both of them.
It was also very windy.
I almost blew away.
If any of you guys try it and it works for you, let us know.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Hello everyone, this is my arts and crafts segment, and today we're going to be making a origami fish out of paper. You're going to start with folding your paper hot dog style like you did in middle school. Make sure you get it creased. It's important to have the crease. So you dog ear it, take one corner, fold it all the way up to the crease, make sure it's even, and then fold it, and then do the same to the other side. Make sure that's creased well. And then once both sides are done, you'll get a triangle, and then you'll flip it over. Take each side, make sure the flap is sticking out. Don't fold the triangle. Take each side and fold it to the crease, and do the same to the other side. Make sure it's even. Just like that, and you'll get like a square. Then flip it over, take the nose, it's actually the tail, but take the pointy end, fold it in half, so you'll have, instead of a square, you'll have a triangle. Fold that neatly, and then take the other end and fold it up to the point of what you just folded. Then once you have that part folded to the end, then you're going to want to take the two other ends and fold them into a triangle. Make sure they're even, and press down, flip that over, and you got a fish. Now, you could use markers to draw on some nicer details. You can use any marker, doesn't matter. I drew an eye on mine, a very nice eye, so the fish can see. And then I just drew some detail in the fins. I used a blue marker, but you can use whatever color you want. Use whatever color paper you want. Make sure the paper you use is rectangular, not square. And here you have a paper fish. Thank you for watching.
Well, hello there, and welcome to Conspiracy Corner, where we dive into the unknown and see what we find. In today's episode, we'll be talking about a theory that's been gaining some attention lately. The theory that birds aren't real. It may sound far-fetched, but let's see what we find out. It just might surprise you. In this theory, birds no longer exist. Emphasis on no longer. Many believe that birds went extinct and were replaced with government drones to make sure that we're always under surveillance. Let's get into why this theory has so many followers. As we all know, our government has been shut down. It's been going on for a while, but during this month, many have started to notice something strange: a shortage of birds. How long has it been since you've seen a bird? A day? A week? A month? And when you do happen to see a bird, where is it you see them most? On power lines. Why does it always seem to have a bird on them? Because they're charging stations. Why do you think they're everywhere? Is there really a reason they're all above ground? One that doesn't involve birds? No, there isn't. I know I'll be watching out for these birds, and I hope you do too, because you never know who or what is watching. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoy this little look into the unknown. I'll see you next time on Conspiracy Corner.
Wow, what a great show. Truly inspiring and blew me away. Anyways, that's it for now. See you next time. Like and subscribe. Smash that like button!